So this is it, the first potato reveal of 2022. This is a quick test to see how my potatoes are doing. Today I'm just harvesting one container plant to see how they are growing, and then I will decide if I should dig up any of the others. The variety of potato is called Rocket, and they were planted on the 15th of March 2022. We are now in June, and these should be due as 12 weeks have passed. So now we will see what we've got. Bear in mind that I planted only one rocket seed potato in this container, so let's see the results. Well, as you can see, we definitely got some potatoes, which is good news. More out than in, as they say. The quantity and size was not amazing though, but it was decent for a first try. While rooting around, I did notice that there were quite a lot of very small tubers, possibly indicating that I needed to leave them in the soil for a longer period of time to let them grow more. So here is the first harvest of rocket potatoes. And here are the potatoes washed and ready to eat for dinner. So what have I learned? Well, to be honest, the amount of potatoes produced is a bit disappointing and the sizes are not that huge. But the variety is Rocket, so I cannot expect a large spud. This was just one seed potato on my first try in a container, so more out than in is a success. So I'll leave my other rocket potatoes in for a bit longer to have chance to grow some more. There were a lot more tiny tubers that probably needed more time to develop and get bigger. So how can I improve? Well, I earthed up and watered regularly, but as you can see the plant is green and looks quite healthy, despite it had reached its due date for harvest. I will wait longer and wait for the plant to change colour and die back more before harvesting next time. The colour should turn lighter and go more of a yellow shade.